Most people fail the Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional exam not because they don't study, but because they study the wrong things. Today, I'm going to change that. In the next few minutes, you'll get the exact questions and topics that show up on the exam. This certification is offered by Oracle, and it covers AI vector search concepts, vector embeddings, similarity search, Oracle AI vector search features, vector indexing, and integration with Oracle Database 23 AI. In this video, we'll cover 20 Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Exam questions based on actual exam topics, plus preparation tips that can help you pass quickly. And if you want the complete Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Practice Questions PDF, the Study for Exam link is available in the description below. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of Oracle AI Vector Search in Oracle Database 23 AI? A. To perform traditional keyword-based text search. B. To store, index, and search vector embeddings for AI-powered similarity search. C. To replace relational tables with vector tables. D. To manage cloud infrastructure for AI workloads. Correct answer, B. To store, index, and search vector embeddings for AI-powered similarity search. Explanation. Oracle AI Vector Search is a core feature of Oracle Database 23 AI that enables storing vector embeddings generated by AI models and performing fast similarity searches against them. It combines the power of AI with the reliability of Oracle Database in a single platform. Question 2. What is a vector embedding in the context of Oracle AI Vector Search? A. A compressed image file stored in the database. B. A numerical representation of data, such as text or images, that captures semantic meaning. C. A type of database index used for full-text search. D. An encrypted version of relational data. Correct answer B. A numerical representation of data such as text or images that captures semantic meaning. Explanation. Vector embeddings are arrays of floating-point numbers generated by AI or machine learning models. They represent the semantic meaning of data such as text, images, or audio. Similar content produces embeddings that are numerically close to each other, which is what makes similarity search possible. Question 3. Which SQL data type is used to store vector embeddings in Oracle Database 23 AI? A. Blob. B. Club. C. Vector. D. Raw. Correct answer, C. Vector. Explanation. Oracle Database 23 AI introduces the native vector data type specifically designed to store vector embeddings. This allows developers to store embeddings directly alongside relational data in the same table, without needing a separate vector database. Question 4. What does similarity search mean in the context of Oracle AI Vector Search? A. Searching for records with identical primary key values. B. Finding records whose vector embeddings are mathematically closest to a given query vector. C. Comparing text strings character by character. D. Searching for duplicate rows in a relational table. Correct answer, B. Finding records whose vector embeddings are mathematically closest to a given query vector. Explanation. Similarity search identifies records that are semantically similar to a query by measuring the mathematical distance between their vector embeddings. Instead of exact keyword matching, it retrieves results based on meaning and context, which is the foundation of modern AI search applications. Quick exam tip. Here is something very important about the Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Exam. Questions are heavily focused on practical knowledge of Oracle AI Vector Search features and real-world implementation scenarios. Make sure you clearly understand these key topics before your exam day. Vector embeddings and how they are generated. The vector data type and vector storage in Oracle Database 23 AI. Similarity search and distance metrics. Vector indexing methods, including IVF and HNSW. the vector distance function and its usage. Yellow, integration of Oracle AI vector search with LLMs. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, DBMS vector, and DBMS vector chain packages. These are the areas that appear most frequently in the Oracle 1Z0-184-25 exam. Question 5. Which distance metric is commonly used to measure similarity between two vectors in Oracle AI vector search? A. Euclidean distance. B. Manhattan distance. C. Cosine similarity. D. All of the above are supported. Correct answer. D. All of the above are supported. Explanation. Oracle AI vector search supports multiple distance metrics, including Euclidean distance, cosine similarity, Manhattan distance, dot product, and Hamming distance. The choice of distance metric depends on the embedding model used and the nature of the data being searched. Question 6. What is the function used in Oracle SQL to calculate the distance between two vectors? A. Vector compare. B. Vector distance. C. Similarity score. D. Embedding match. Correct answer. B. Vector distance. Explanation. The vector distance function is the core SQL function in Oracle AI vector search, used to calculate the distance between two vector values. It accepts two vectors and an optional distance metric parameter, and returns a numeric value representing how similar or different the two vectors are. Question 7. What is the purpose of the HNSW index in Oracle AI vector search? A. To compress vector data for storage efficiency. B. To enable fast approximate nearest neighbor search on large vector datasets. C. To encrypt vector embeddings for security. D. To convert vectors into relational table format. Correct answer. B. To enable fast approximate nearest neighbor search on large vector datasets. Explanation. HNSW stands for Hierarchical Navigable Small World. It is a graph-based vector index that enables very fast approximate nearest neighbor search. It is one of the two main index types supported by Oracle AI vector search and is particularly effective for high-dimensional vector data at scale. Question 8. What does IVF stand for in the context of Oracle AI vector search indexing? A. Inverted vector format. B. Inverted file index. C. Integrated vector framework. D. Index verification function. Correct answer. B. Inverted file index. Explanation. IVF stands for Inverted File Index. It is a clustering-based vector indexing method that divides vectors into clusters and searches only the most relevant clusters during a query. Oracle AI Vector Search supports IVF as one of its primary index types for efficient large-scale vector search. Question 9. What is Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, in the context of Oracle AI vector search? A. A method for generating new vector embeddings from scratch. B. A technique that combines vector search with large language models to produce accurate and context-aware responses. C. A type of Oracle database backup procedure. D. A SQL function used to retrieve deleted records. Correct answer. B. A technique that combines vector search with large language models to produce accurate and context-aware responses. Explanation. RAG is a powerful AI architecture pattern that uses vector similarity search to retrieve relevant context from a knowledge base and then passes that context to a large language model to generate accurate and grounded responses. Oracle AI Vector Search is specifically designed to support RAG pipelines within the database. Question 10. Which Oracle package is used to generate vector embeddings directly within Oracle Database 23AI? A. DBMS Crypto. B. DBMS Vector. C. DBMS Search. D. DBMS AI Embed. Correct answer. B. DBMS Vector. Explanation. The DBMS vector package provides built-in procedures and functions to generate vector embeddings using AI models directly inside Oracle Database 23AI. It also supports loading embedding models into the database so that embedding generation and search can happen within a single SQL query. Question 11. What is the purpose of the DBMS vector chain package in Oracle Database 23AI? A. To manage database replication chains. B. To build end-to-end AI pipelines, including chunking, embedding, and RAG workflows within the database. C. To create linked list data structures in PL/SQL. D. To encrypt and chain vector data for security compliance. Correct answer. B. To build end-to-end AI pipelines, including chunking, embedding, and RAG workflows within the database. Explanation. DBMS Vector Chain is an advanced package that allows developers to build complete AI vector search pipelines inside Oracle Database. It supports document chunking, embedding generation, vector storage, similarity search, and integration with large language models, all within a unified SQL and PL/SQL workflow. Question 12. What does the term approximate nearest neighbor search mean in Oracle AI vector search? A. A search that finds only exact matches in the vector space. B. A fast search method that returns results very close to the true nearest neighbors without scanning every record. C. A search method used only for text data. D. A search that ignores vector index and scans the full table. Correct answer. B. A fast search method that returns results very close to the true nearest neighbors without scanning every record. Explanation. Approximate nearest neighbor search trades a small amount of accuracy for a very large gain in search speed. Instead of comparing a query vector against every record in the table, it uses index structures like HNSW or IVF to quickly identify the most likely nearest neighbors, making it practical for large-scale AI applications. Question 13. Which clause is used in Oracle SQL to perform a vector similarity search and retrieve the top matching results? A. Order by vector distance, fetch first. B. Where vector match. C. Similarity search top. D. Vector search limit. Correct answer. A. Order by vector distance, fetch first. Explanation. In Oracle AI Vector Search, similarity search queries are written using standard SQL with the vector distance function in the order by clause, combined with fetch first nrows only to retrieve the top nearest neighbors. This integrates seamlessly with existing SQL knowledge and relational query patterns. Question 14. What is chunking in the context of Oracle AI Vector Search and RAG pipelines? A. Compressing vector data into smaller storage blocks. B. Breaking large documents into smaller text segments before generating embeddings for each segment. C. Dividing a vector index into partitions for parallel search. D. Splitting a database table into multiple vector tables. Correct answer. B. Breaking large documents into smaller text segments before generating embeddings for each segment. Explanation. Chunking is a critical preprocessing step in RAG pipelines. Large documents cannot be embedded as a whole because embedding models have token limits and large inputs lose precision. By breaking documents into smaller, meaningful chunks and embedding each chunk separately, the similarity search becomes far more accurate and relevant. Question 15. How does Oracle AI Vector Search differ from traditional full-text search in Oracle Database? A. Vector search only works with image data, while full-text search works with text. B. Vector search finds semantically similar content based on meaning, while full-text search matches exact keywords or phrases. C. Vector search is slower than full-text search in all scenarios. D. There is no difference between vector search and full-text search. Correct answer. B. Vector search finds semantically similar content based on meaning, while full-text search matches exact keywords or phrases. Explanation: traditional full-text search relies on keyword matching and misses results that use different words to express the same concept. Vector search understands semantic meaning, so a query about automobiles will also find results about car or vehicle because their embeddings are mathematically close, making it far more powerful for AI-driven search use cases. Question 16. What is the significance of vector dimensions in Oracle AI vector search? A. Dimensions define the physical storage size of the database. B. Dimensions represent the number of numerical values in each vector embedding and are determined by the embedding model used. C. Dimensions control the number of index partitions created. D. Dimensions define the maximum number of rows in a vector table. Correct answer, B. Dimensions represent the number of numerical values in each vector embedding and are determined by the embedding model used. Explanation: every vector embedding has a fixed number of dimensions determined by the AI model that generated it. For example, a model might produce 768-dimensional or 1,536-dimensional vectors. All vectors stored in the same column must have the same number of dimensions, and this is specified when creating the vector column in Oracle Database 23AI. Question 17. Which statement about Oracle AI vector search and relational data is correct? A. Vector data must be stored in a separate database from relational data. B. Oracle AI vector search allows vector embeddings to be stored alongside relational data in the same table and queried with standard SQL. C. Relational queries cannot be combined with vector similarity search in Oracle. D. Vector search requires a separate Oracle license and cannot be used with existing databases. Correct answer: B. Oracle AI vector search allows vector embeddings to be stored alongside relational data in the same table and queried with standard SQL. Explanation: one of the biggest advantages of Oracle AI vector search is its deep integration with Oracle Database. Developers can store vector embeddings in a vector column in the same table as all other relational columns, and combine traditional SQL filters with vector similarity search in a single query, eliminating the need for a separate vector database. Question 18. What type of AI models are typically used to generate vector embeddings for use with Oracle AI vector search? A. Decision tree models. B. Regression models. C. Transformer-based embedding models such as BERT or sentence transformers. D. Rule-based expert systems. Correct answer: C. Transformer-based embedding models such as BERT or sentence transformers. Explanation: vector embeddings used in semantic search are typically generated by transformer-based AI models. These models are trained to understand the meaning and context of data and produce high-dimensional numerical representations that capture semantic relationships. Oracle AI Vector Search supports loading and using such models directly inside the database. Question 19. What happens if you store vectors with different dimensions in the same vector column in Oracle Database 23AI? A. Oracle automatically resizes them to match. B. The database stores them without any issue. C. An error occurs because all vectors in a column must have the same number of dimensions. D. Oracle converts extra dimensions to 0 values. Correct answer: C. An error occurs because all vectors in a column must have the same number of dimensions. Explanation: in Oracle Database 23AI, a vector column is defined with a specific number of dimensions that must match the embedding model being used. Attempting to insert a vector with a different number of dimensions will result in an error. This ensures consistency across all embeddings stored in the same column and guarantees correct similarity calculations. Question 20. Which of the following best describes the advantage of performing vector search inside Oracle Database 23AI compared to using an external vector database? A. External vector databases are always faster and more accurate. B. Performing vector search inside Oracle database eliminates data movement, reduces latency, and allows combining AI search with full relational SQL capabilities in a single query. C. Oracle Database 23 AI does not support vector search natively and requires an external plugin. D. Using an external vector database is required for production AI applications. Correct answer, B. Performing vector search inside Oracle database eliminates data movement, reduces latency, and allows combining AI search with full relational SQL capabilities in a single query. Explanation. When vector search happens inside the same database as the relational data, there is no need to move data to an external system, no synchronization overhead, and no additional infrastructure to manage. Developers can write a single SQL query that filters by relational conditions and ranks results by vector similarity at the same time, which is a major architectural advantage of Oracle AI Vector Search. If you want to practice more Oracle Database AI Vector Search professional exam questions like these, you can download the complete Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Practice Questions PDF from Study for Exam. The full PDF includes updated exam questions based on current Oracle Database AI Vector Search professional topics, detailed explanations for every answer, real exam simulation practice tests, and full coverage of vector embeddings, similarity search, vector indexing, RAG pipelines, and Oracle 23 AI features. The download link is available in the description below. If this video helped you prepare for the Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Exam, make sure to like this video, comment below how many questions you answered correctly, subscribe for more certification exam preparation videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Oracle Database AI Vector Search Professional Certification Exam.